Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen on my Instagram stories that I picked up something new from Louis Vuitton. So this video is going to be an unboxing video of the item that I just picked up, where I will show you some close-up shots. This is actually a pretty popular item, so many of you out there might actually have it already. But for those of you who don't and have been considering this item for yourself, keep watching this video. But before we get into it, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shelly. I typically film videos about fashion reviews, hauls, try-ons, as well as some beauty, lifestyle, and travel when I can actually travel again. I really like trying out new products and sharing them with you guys in case you are wondering how they work. I'm definitely a person who likes to share information with others, so that's what I hope to do with this channel here, where I share my thoughts and feedback with you. But you are here for this unboxing video, so I'm gonna get right into it. So as you can see, the item that I have here is rather small. I was actually going back and forth internally if I wanted to pick this up or a handbag, like a tote bag for work. I ended up picking up another tote bag that I may share with you guys on a different video. If you're interested, let me know down in the comments below. That handbag isn't necessarily a designer handbag tote, but if you want to know more about work totes or totes in general that I've found to be functional and helpful, I would be more than happy to share that with you. But let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. So here we have the little dust bag, and if you guessed that it's a small leather good, you are correct. So I decided to pick up the Zippy coin purse, and I will show you guys what it looks like up close here. So this is the Zippy coin purse. I actually recently filmed a video on my current everyday wallet, which is the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet in epi leather. And I do love that wallet very much. I've had it for a few years. A lot of you guys mentioned that you're surprised how long and how well it's held up over the years. But to share a little bit more about why I decided to pick this up. So if you watch my Louis Vuitton small leather good video, which I will link up in the cards and also down in the description box, you will know that I've gone through everything from like a full-size Sarah wallet in the old design over 10 years ago to the epi leather and now to this. So I am planning on using this as my everyday wallet. And initially, I think back when I was using the Sarah wallet, I carried a lot more things in my wallet. I think I had gift cards, like punch cards, all my membership cards, all right in that one wallet. And I also didn't like folding my bills or having my bills, like my money creased at that time. The Sarah wallet is definitely one of my all-time favorite wallets that I've ever had. I thought it was super functional. It helped me be super organized, but it was just rather large. And over time, I really wanted to downsize a little bit because with a large wallet, I was just carrying larger handbags, and I just generally wanted to downsize a little bit to carry like lighter handbags because it ended up bothering my shoulder, to be honest with you guys, but also because I did want to carry a couple of other like essential items. Like for example, sometimes I get headaches, so I wanted to be able to carry like some medicine. I also do have allergies, so carrying that kind of stuff with me as well. And the Sarah wallet was just taking up a little bit more space than I wanted to in some of my smaller purses. So I transitioned from that to the Victorine wallet, which I still love. It's super functional. I like it a lot. But during the pandemic, I actually noticed that I don't use actual like money anymore. I had a $20 bill in my Victorine wallet from like February, and since then I have literally only been using credit cards. And I think it's just partially been the change of the times. You know, I think a lot of us just simply use cards nowadays more than anything else. And so I thought that this would be a great opportunity for me to try out just using a wallet like this, because it does not have a pocket for bills, as you can see. And I think because I haven't used any cash since February, it's kind of proving to me that I don't necessarily need that pocket. But I will still, you know, I will likely go back and forth between this and the Victorine, but I do like to keep all of my things in one wallet for a long period of time. Wallets are not something that I like to change like on a weekly basis or even monthly or even for a few months. I like to kind of stick with a wallet at a time. So to show you on the inside, you'll see that on the side here, there is a pocket right up top, but you can also fit 2 cards. It's exactly the same thing on the other side. Hopefully it'll focus right there. And you'll see these 2 larger pockets here in the middle, as well as this smaller pocket right there. So what I'm thinking I'll do is I typically carry, in my Victorine wallet, I currently carry 6 cards. 2 of them aren't used super often, so I feel like, you know, having 4 card slots here will be just fine, but I can also put my additional cards like in these pockets. So I'm not super worried about that. And to be honest with you, one of the reasons why I was worried about getting this at first is because previously I used to like go to certain areas like shopping centers and things like that that may have needed like coins to park, like to feed the meter. And I just have noticed that I haven't really had to do that recently. And a lot of the pay stations are not cash anymore. They all take cards. So at the end of the day, you know, I'm thinking to myself, like, I might just need some emergency cash in my wallet, but I primarily will likely not be using cash at all. So that's the reason why I wanted to pick this up. And I definitely think I'll get along with this just fine. So I'm super excited to begin using this. If you already have the Zippy coin purse, please let me know down in the comments below. Or if you have a similar item from any other brands, let me know how you like that as well. I definitely was shopping around a little bit, and at the end of the day, I felt like this one would be the best one for me, but I would be totally open to taking a look at some other items as well sometime in the future. Not anytime soon, because I think I'll be perfectly happy with this purchase right here. So a couple of other things that I just wanted to mention is that I really like this zipper. The zipper feels super sturdy. I love the tab right here. You can definitely tell that this is a really good zipper. I also like that within the pockets, everything is lined in leather, and I don't know what it is about that, but it's definitely something that I look for a lot when I'm buying wallets. I've noticed that a lot of wallet pockets don't have a lot of leather in it, and it just goes immediately into some kind of fabric. But I do appreciate that Louis Vuitton does have a lot of leather within the pockets of their small leather goods. The other thing that I was torn about was I was going back and forth between the Monogram canvas that I actually picked up and some of the other leathers that this particular item comes in. And at the end of the day, I felt like this would work the best for me. So I did actually consider getting this in the empreinte leather, which if you've been following along in my videos, you know that I have 2 other items in those leathers, which I will leave links for those videos in the description box in case you want to check those out. But because those items are not something that I would like keep my hands on a lot, I think that I feel more okay with having those items in those leathers. But with a wallet, because you know you're often touching it with your hands, like sometimes you may be holding like a drink where, you know, there's condensation on the outside, and then, you know, needing to grab your wallet to pay for something else for whatever reason. I definitely thought that the Monogram canvas would hold up very, very nicely and be really durable, because also, if you've seen my oldest Louis Vuitton bag, that bag has held up so well. And so I felt that this would hold up really well also. Alright you guys, well thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing down below to help support my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have the Zippy coin purse or any other similar products, let me know down in the comments how you like them. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!